Hi, I'm Scott Newnham, the CEO of Audio Advice. If you're watching this, there's a good chance you're either building a new home or working on a renovation, and you want to make sure you include the most up-to-date technology in your home. If you're like most luxury homeowners, you want all of the advantages of smart doorbells, cameras, music throughout your house, and a rock-solid and fast home network. But you want it to be aesthetically pleasing, easy to use, and always work. This video is our Smart Home Essentials video, which is part of our Smart Home Design series of videos that you will find at audioadvice.com and on YouTube. So let me start with a quick story. A few years ago, a homeowner came to us feeling frustrated. He had tried to build his own smart home by connecting lots of different devices and apps, hoping everything would just work together. Some things worked part of the time, others not at all, and no one else in the family could figure out how to use all the different apps. All sorts of Nests, Rings, and a bunch of small Alexa speakers around the home seemed intent on not working. That kind of experience is more common than you might think. The truth is, a professionally done smart home is something else entirely. It's not about having a bunch of connected gadgets. It's about bringing everything together in a way that's seamless, well-designed, and reliable. At Audio Advice, we've been designing and installing systems for decades. We're now one of the largest and most respected smart home installers in the United States. We've designed thousands of systems, from single-room remote systems in a media room or home theater to large-scale automation systems that make luxury estates incredibly easy to entertain and to manage. From lighting and music to security and climate control, it should all be part of one simple, intuitive experience. We've been trusted by homeowners, builders, and architects across the country because we know how to take complex technology and make it simple, elegant, and invisible when it needs to be. Imagine waking up in your new home. You press a single button. Your lights brighten gradually, shades rise to reveal the morning sun, music begins to play, and the house wakes up with you. That's the kind of intelligent interaction we design into every project. At the heart of this experience is the Smart Home Operating System. This is what brings everything together: lighting, shades, music, TVs, thermostats, security, cameras, and everything else. We're one of the only companies in the country that has sold all three of the top professional systems, Control4, Savant, and Crestron, and we continue to test integration with all of the major AI and voice-operated systems. We most often use Control4 because of its consumer privacy and reliability compared to almost all other systems. It's well supported across all devices and continues to improve year after year. It acts as the central brain of your home, making everything feel cohesive and easy to live with. Whether you're using a wall panel, remote, voice control, or even a phone, it just works. There are some other emerging AI-based systems which we are testing. However, we will only recommend those once we are super comfortable that they are no longer gimmicky and they achieve a reliability that you expect when you're controlling lights, security, and other mission-critical systems in your home. Now, let's talk about music. In nearly every home we design, whole home audio plays a huge role, as it makes your house a place that's relaxing, fun, and entertaining. Imagine crystal clear music playing in your kitchen, living room, and patio while you entertain. At the same time, your kids and their friends are sharing and playing their own music in your bonus room. Our systems support high-resolution audio and let you control everything from in-ceiling speakers to invisible speakers hidden in your walls to immersive outdoor landscape speakers, all using your phone, wall panel, or remote. And of course, as a company known for our expertise in home audio and theaters, our attention to detail in the product's design and placement ensures that your sound is superb and the high-performance speakers fit naturally into your home decor. And when it comes to TVs and home theaters, simplicity is everything. In every room with a TV, there's just one simple remote. You walk into a room, press a button, and your system springs to life. The TV turns on, the lights dim, the shades close, and your movie or game begins. When you're done, another press turns it all off. No hunting for multiple remotes, no guessing which input is correct. With our patented home theater design tool and team of home theater experts, we are one of the largest and most renowned home theater installers in the United States. Even in the most advanced home theaters we design, we use one remote and keep the control intuitive for everyone in the family. Our remotes even let you view security cameras or set your alarm. While controlling things from your phone is convenient, nothing beats a dedicated remote that's always in the room, always charged, and never interrupted by a phone call. And it has that tactile feel people love. Lighting also plays a huge role in the feel of a home. Most homes rely on basic overhead fixtures, but a great lighting plan adds depth and texture using different layers and color temperatures to transform how each room looks and feels. Whether it's highlighting artwork or setting the perfect dinner ambiance, lighting can change the entire experience of a space. Our experts guide you through fixture choices, beam angles, dim levels, and more. The difference between inexpensive fixtures from a big box store and high-performance lighting with excellent color rendering is night and day. With the right lights, colors in your artwork, furniture, and decor come to life exactly as they were meant to. Smart lighting control also makes everyday life a little easier. You can press welcome to set a bright, energizing scene, or evening to dim the lights to a more relaxed and intimate setting, and good night to softly put the house to sleep. Some of our systems even adjust automatically throughout the day to mirror natural light patterns, supporting your personal circadian rhythm and helping you feel more energized during the day and relaxed at night. There's an incredible amount of expertise involved in designing these lighting scenes. It's not just about tech, it's about aesthetics and wellness too. We work with architects and designers to ensure lighting keypads blend with the room design, wall clutter is minimized, and every room looks intentional. Another piece that transforms a room is motorized shading. Not only do motorized shades offer privacy and glare control, but they help insulate your home and bring a polished, refined look to any space. Want a darkened room for a midday movie? The shades lower with a tap. Need better energy efficiency in the afternoon? They adjust based on sunlight. We offer both low voltage and battery powered options and help you choose the right fabric, opacity, and design. In some rooms, shades allow you to see out while maintaining privacy from the outside. When integrated with lighting and climate systems, they become part of a larger ecosystem that improves energy efficiency, comfort, and even your sleep. Comfort is just as important as aesthetics. With smart thermostats, your home knows your routine. It can cool the bedroom at night, warm it up before you wake, and adjust itself when you leave for work. In our home, my wife and I like it cool when we sleep, so our system automatically lowers the temperature in the evening and brings it back up in the morning. Using a thermostat designed by the same company as your smart home system, like a Control4 thermostat for a Control4 home, ensures everything works seamlessly. And features like vacation mode help you save energy automatically while you're away. Security is another essential that ties in naturally with everything else. When someone rings your doorbell, your camera feed pops up on every touch panel and on your phone. Our Signature Series systems include advanced features we offer to our customers at no additional cost. For instance, when you arm your system as you leave, it can automatically lock your doors, turn off your lights and music, activate deterrence mode in your cameras, power down your TVs, and set your alarm. When you return, your lights come back on automatically so you never enter a dark home. These features work together as part of one cohesive system. We seamlessly integrate smart locks, garage doors, gates, and sensors all into one simple interface. Communication in the home is another overlooked piece. Our systems have integrated intercoms so you can talk between rooms or floors, call the kids to dinner, or check in without yelling across the house. When someone rings the doorbell, every panel in the house shows the video feed instantly. No app opening, no extra step. You can even call into specific rooms from your phone when you're away. Behind every smart home is the invisible backbone that makes it all work, your network. The modem router combo your internet provider gives you is great for the average apartment, but it isn't designed for luxury homes with more than a handful of devices. Once you start adding multiple TVs, streaming devices, lighting systems, cameras, and more, that system simply can't keep up, especially when multiple people are streaming or on Zoom calls at the same time. That's why we install enterprise-grade networking, business-class routers, hardwired access points, and fast switching gear. These networks are super fast and make sure your phone calls, streaming, and Zoom meetings are worry-free. They're also self-healing, which means they automatically recover from hiccups or outages. And with our Signature Series support, we monitor the health of our systems remotely. If something goes offline, we're often the first to know. We can fix most issues without even you knowing. Most homeowners trust us to design their systems based on our extensive experience. We usually know what a customer will want, even when they don't know themselves. However, for those of you who want to adjust and customize your own systems, we've got you covered. You can create your own automations, adjust your lighting scenes, or set up alerts for specific events. We've seen a lot of smart home companies come and go. One client came to us after installing a flashy new system from a startup company that looked amazing on paper. But just a few years later, the company disappeared and their system stopped working. We pulled it all out, replaced it with Control4, and now everything runs smoothly. That's the difference experience makes. Over decades, we've built systems that last. Our goal is to bring happiness to families, maximizing their enjoyment and minimizing stress in their homes. And we've supported them with ongoing service that makes their investment worth it every single day. And if you're just starting to explore, go to the smart home section of audioadvice.com and you will find detailed videos on everything from lighting control to motorized shades and outdoor entertainment options. We also have numerous showcase videos on YouTube and on our website of different homes we have done. You can usually find a home like yours and see our level of craftsmanship, as well as how our systems are improving the lives of our homeowners. There are some really cool things to check out, from invisible speakers to a projector hidden in a billiard lamp. You name it, we've likely done it. Audio Advice has some of the largest and most advanced showrooms in the country. If you're near one of our award-winning showrooms, come check out everything I've talked about in this video. If you're planning a new home, please talk to us or whoever your provider is extremely early in the process. We'll make sure your plans account for the right infrastructure, from wiring diagrams to conduit placement. We think ahead so that your smart home isn't just modern today, but ready for tomorrow. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to serving you.